How do you know you're an adult? Well, you know you're an adult when you get excited over things like windows and doors. And
Yes.
Chelsea Zerpola and I, we are grown-ups talking about windows. But it's fun too because you are looking into a way to not only make your home more beautiful in a way that people are actually talking about,
Yes.
but also protecting your home. So let's talk about Renewal by Andersen, and let's not leave out something important that I think a lot of people love, and that is that these are made right here, even just right up the street.
Yeah. What's great is they're custom made, right? When you're talking about a product that you don't have to worry, is it going to fit? Is it going to have the right style? Do I have to, sacrifice beauty for, something that's going to protect my home? With Renewal by Andersen Acclaim Impact Windows, all of those things you do not have to sacrifice. The beauty is there, the protection. So you have the thinnest frames because Fibrex is 2 times stronger than vinyl. So you don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, am I gonna have to have these dodgy thick frames all season long when I only need that protection during the hurricane season, right? What's great is you don't have to drag out those heavy hurricane shutters or screens because with Acclaim Impact Windows, you're protected no matter what. So you're not having to pull out and prepare and do all of that for your windows or your doors. You're protected. So there's a lot of great benefit with Renewal by Andersen windows and doors.
What's interesting to me is, and I have a friend who moved into this beautiful community, and all you see out of her back wall of her home is, if you could see it, would be water, trees, birds. But if you can't see that, how are you really enjoying those things? So more window frame. You taught me this, that thinner frames mean more window. And so you have that option as well.
Absolutely. In that case, I would use a picture window. And that picture window doesn't have any type of grills or any type of that kind of blocking technology. Some people like it for that colonial look, but for someone that has a beautiful backyard or a beautiful view, that picture window is unobstructed view, and it really kind of frames out your backyard like a piece of art.
But then there are circumstances where you do want to match the architecture of the home, and I'm certain that's where your designers come in.
Yeah, and that way it matches, and then you don't have those concerns from your HOA, but that we're absolutely aligning to make sure that those beautiful windows and doors match that architectural style as well.
Okay, well, let's talk to everybody watching right now that would love to set up a consultation. How do we go about doing that?
So visit us at bestwindowsflorida.com or give us a call. The phone number's on the screen. We are here to set up an in-home design consultation. And if you mention that you saw us on River City Live, you'll get 20% off your project if you call today.
Ooh, I love that. So do it
Yes.
today.